Hello and welcome to my channel Tech Travel Gyani. Today I will unbox one Dell mouse model number that is MS116. I have the link in the description box. I bought it via Amazon and at rupees 399 and 40 rupees charge extra for this, that is the servicing, that the transportation charge extra. So this is the mouse box. So let's open it and find what are the things inside in it. Of course, plus mouse. And why you will buy, I will tell you. Let's unbox it. Just tear it out. Okay, let's open it. Let's tear it out and open it. Here we have another box of Dell. Okay, this way. So here is the device and here is the card where you can register it. Hope you can see it. You can register it in the Dell website. So here is the card for it. This is the authenticity code, and here you have to scratch it and you will get the code. So let's keep this to the side. This is a quick start guide, safety, environment and regulatory information. So this is the device. Oh, it's a long cable given. So this is the long cable given here, and the cable length is around 1.8 meter length. So it's a long cable given. Now I will tell that why I will recommend this Dell MS116. This is because I tried many companies' mouse, but all did not come up at its expectation. Suppose, for example, let's keep this to the side. I have been using this Frontech and see the condition of it. So all rubbish. So I will definitely recommend to buy this Dell mouse in the link given in the description box, so that you can get the genuine product from the reputed company like Dell. So I will show you how it performs. I will connect it to the laptop. So let's connect to the laptop. So let's connect it to the laptop, and you can see the and is working fine. Think is the best buy and you can get in the market today, because it's a genuine product from Dell. And I will show you the performance. And I also said earlier that many mouse I tried, all didn't come to their expectation, because the pointer didn't settle at one position. That's the problem in many mouse. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Tech Travel Gyani for more interesting tech and traveling updates. And please buy this mouse from the link in the description box, so that I can benefit from this also. Thank you for watching.